Okay, so I'm starting with okay. Wait, guys, now we are in somewhere in. I want to show you where we are. Oh, you stupid! You want us to pull? Oh, I don't want people to drop my phone. Okay, guys, I'm in somewhere there. So everything is so good and so fine. As you can see, we are here with these guys. They brought us here. This is not marketing. So we are at this place. This place, and yeah. So as you can come in. Oh, so this is the place that I was telling you about. So I'm just going straight to the dining. I don't know, dining room that I eat. So let's do it like this. I'm live, right? I'm live, right? So look at this guy is from Malawi. So this guy. So I don't know. Put it on the group. On this group that we have. You know, I mean the group WhatsApp group for compliance. So put the link. Put it. Um, wait. Okay. Now you can click. You can click. Okay. This is Catherine.
Mm. My name is Catherine Bakawe, all the way from Zimbabwe, working as a cook agent based in Abington. I'm here in Kimberley, Survey Hotel.
I'm still eating, madam.
Glad what has Kur done for us as the agent. We are gaining training, so now we are on dinner. I don't have much to say, but I'm glad what Mkuru has done for us.
Okay. So they will come to you. And we have this guy. We have this guy. Hello, bro. How are you?
Fine. Without marine.
Oh, fine. Thank you. Yes, brother. How are you? Everything is good. Hey, we are on live on YouTube. You can watch yourself. And this guy is our teacher now. He's busy eating dessert. Dessert is setting after dinner. Yes, brother.
How are you?
How are you? I'm so glad that we now have time to meet in person.
Yeah.
You can take your YouTube phone. We send the link, everything in there. Yeah. So we have a lot of people here. Yes, brother. How are you? I'm good. And how are you? I'm good. Thank you. There are a lot of people. Lucy, how are you?
I'm fine.
After a long time.
Very long one.
How is Kimberly?
It's not that long. It's 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks?
Is it not a month yet? Okay, I thought it's a month yet.
I think it's 1 week.
Yeah.
One or 2 weeks.
Oh, you're busy eating. It's remaining a dessert, so don't go. So why can they didn't buy even beer? They could have just buy that small nyana. We have some other people. Hello, how are you?
They're concentrate
You are not going to concentrate.
because your mind is diluted.
We'll put notification on the link. We'll put the link on the group. Ne?
Okay,
You see,
for the
you see. We'll call the compliance. Say what? Yeah. No. It's down there.
nothing. Which link?
No, I don't know which.
You mean the one that is did screenshot?
The one that I put. Oh. So everyone is eating dessert except me. So it's for everyone, more. Catherine, on which group did you put it? You put the link on.
Let me check.
You forgot.
This
Mandatory
one.
compliance.
Is it not the one?
Yeah, I think it's the one. Tigawire ne jakujajo matama vita. Jakuja titumiza ba mugulu. Tiri ku training in Damugulu. Yes, brother. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good, thank you so much. So this other guy, and then other guy, and then that side other guy. They may just go there. So like they have to watch it live. They have to watch it live. How are you? Everything's fine, eh? Eh? So nice. Yes, my brother. So good. Thank you so much. Hello. And my brother.
How are you?
I'm good. So think.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. You are here in Kimberley, right? You are from Kimberley. You are from Priska. Yes, my brother. I'm good and I'm so good. I'm so good and healthy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sharp, sharp. And I'm still traveling up and down. Can I get my before I get? Thank you so much. Thank you. So, guys, we are here, and everything seems to be so good. Everything is so good, and everyone is so happy. So,
Are you done?
I know I'm not yet done. Let me just finish before everything. Before I'm only a person minimum. Okay. The chances are still yet, but let me eat. Let me eat. Hmm?
I want to see myself again. We are watching.
You want to see yourself again? So I have to do it like this.
That.
Your daughter is giving you problem. So she want to see herself more often. So
Yes.
and
because
then your daughter is giving you problem.
Yeah.
So let me just give you my hotspot. Just let me just hotspot you. Use my
Yeah, so that
yes,
I
you have to type 1 to 6 and 5 4 3 2 1.
That's fine.
Okay. Look at this lady.
Huh?
Hi guys, it's dessert time. It's dessert time, so it's just kind of funny. And yeah, it's dessert time. I have to eat dessert. So everything. So for then you have to do it like this.
Now they took my knife, but
Hmm?
my I think so. For totally 30 minutes. Remember?
But I think this lady is so funny. Can you start eating one by one? I want people to see. I want people to see. I want people to see. Let's do it. 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 You just want people to see. Okay, guys. Everything is so good. I'm one person here who's talking. A lot of people are quiet on their phones, chatting with people, chatting with loved ones. So, oh, I'm not on business. They don't pay for life. Sorry? Yeah. Okay, can I have also together for selfie? Okay. Chengetedza rwedo rwemoyo wangu. Yo, guys, if you know people who are very, oh, wait, if you have never seen people to be focused in life, to be focused in everything, and then you have to meet these people. But out of all people, Rusa is my favorite. Sorry? Yeah, I can Taura Shonamos.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, Chichewa. Yeah, Chichewa is very simple. There's some other people, so they will be like, yeah, I can understand. Yeah, and then it's okay. Otherwise, it will be some other people. That will... Where is Raymond? He's nowhere to be seen. Yo, I can walk, I can talk.
Now I'm saying hat.
Usandidire mali. Hi guys. I just want to address on something. I think you are going to like it. The thing that I want to say is about the life of myself. So now I'm trying to get everything right, and I'm trying to get maybe something from Mukuru to work for them, maybe in other way. A lot of people know that I'm an agent for Mukuru, but there is this thing that people don't know. I want to try to see if I can be able to get with him. You see, like to advertise, maybe to work together hand in hand. So I don't know. Everything will be just all right, and I just hope that everything will be okay and everything will be so good as planned. Yeah, we are in seminary somewhere in Northern Cape, and yeah, everything can be so good. So for now, just know I'll be live. I will be live. I will be thank you so much, and let's go and eat dessert. Front camera again. I am back. I am back. I am back. Or it's either you against me. Oh, I can talk. Oh, me. I can talk. I can talk. I can talk. Yeah. So
It's not live, right? You're not on live.
it's live.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So that one is your mom.
Yeah, I'm here this morning.
But she look like she's 31. One. You look like- what happened? What happened?
No, she's old. She's old. She's old.
So she just know how to bath, how to use water. Nice. You can, in other way, you can say
And
that.
she's taking care of herself. Don't drink stuff.
Yeah.
No, sometimes smoke.
Yeah. Mm.
Use water as it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when did you come here in South Africa?
Okay, I came there 2015 if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
I was in school by the time.
So you came here to continue school, or
Yeah.
so you to continue school here? In which grade?
It was grade 9.
That means you're not so old. Though.
Yeah. I can say I'm the youngest one.
No, I'm the youngest here.
No, I am the youngest.
Mm-mm. I'm the youngest here.
If you don't mind how old
26.
you see, I am the youngest.
How old are you? How old are you? 23, 24. What? No way. No way. Now I can be 24. No, 20 years. Like you were born in 2003.
I'm
Oh.
saying I'm the youngest. The female youngest agent.
Yeah, I can say. Yeah, then yeah, that can be right. So,
Yeah.
what do you do here? Like, what are you doing here now?
All right. Right now I'm an agent. A school agent.
Yeah.
I'm also an assistant.
Yeah. So, like, you're a sister. So, you have a role bigger than me. Because I'm just holding an agent, and then you are assistant. What? Assistant?
Yes,
Yeah. A photo here, please. But we are live on YouTube. Okay, so
Oh, you're live on YouTube.
yeah, so for you to work with Mukuru, like what happened? Or maybe because your mom is an
I was
agent.
always
Sorry.
at home, sleeping, doing nothing.
Yeah.
And then my mom said, no, you have to do something. And right now, I can also get the opportunity to work in the office.
Yeah.
So now you can come and work and be an agent. She registered me. Now I'm an agent.
How old were you then?
18. Yeah, 18.
I wanted to say, did they
It was 2
include?
years. In 2 years.
Yeah.
This year was 3 years.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's when I started, and then I started to work, and then they started going out,
Mhm.
and then they suggested that I must come and be the assistant to the assistant in the office
Yeah.
when they're out.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's
Oh,
how
okay.
I became an agent. My mom, she recruited me actually.
So it's like okay, yeah, but that's nice.
Yeah.
I can say that's nice. I didn't expect that because I was like, oh, maybe these people are sisters. The time that I saw you, I was like,
Yeah.
oh, maybe these people are sisters, and so on and so on.
I'm her first.
How many kids does she have? Do you mind to share? It's
Okay,
it's,
that's
it's wrong
what-
to have, but it's not.
I guess that's what we have to go after.
No, but okay.
But
How many siblings do you have?
Okay, we are 4. I am the
That's it.
firstborn.
That's it.
We are 4.
You're 4 and you're firstborn. Okay. Yeah. So let's leave it here. Other question. Other